Hello everyone, so how to start a Rave. So here is the app in bottom, Rave. So basically it allows you to watch Netflix or YouTube or other services together with your friends or just random people. So just go there, create an account, bottom right click on this plus icon. You can select from different services, YouTube, Netflix, just also web, karaoke. I just will go to YouTube, so I will just select some of my videos. You can select any video. Uh, So something like that. Hello everyone, so how to delete your Zoom account. And here I just started a Rave. Hello everyone, so how so as you can see here, it's will start playing. You can start a chat. So here is the chat. You can invite people. Just click in the bottom. You can invite some global people. You can you can invite your friends. You can leave voice messages. You can copy a link here to your Rave. So as you can see, you can also use Messenger, WhatsApp, Facebook to invite people. You can also stream your Rave using AirPlay or Chromecast. You can also go to settings. You can edit privacy, who can watch. Is it like a private or public Rave, and stuff like that. So yeah, you can basically communicate, skip to the next videos. So that's basically how it works. Super easy. Hope you enjoyed.